What if the key to keeping your vision sharp as you age isn't a pill or a medical procedure, but something simple and natural? According to the World Health Organization, over 2.2 billion people worldwide have some form of vision impairment, most of them over age 50. After 65, age-related eye decline, including cataracts, macular degeneration, and blurred near vision, rises sharply, and WHO reports that 1 in 4 adults over 80 experiences significant vision loss, even with corrective lenses. The delicate structures that make sight possible become increasingly vulnerable to oxidative stress, caused by harmful molecules called free radicals that steadily damage retinal cells. Research and other studies suggest that certain fruits, rich in antioxidants, may help protect aging eyes by targeting this cellular damage at its source. In this video, we will highlight the top 5 foods that could help older adults maintain clearer, sharper vision well into later years. Why vision fails with age? As we grow older, the eyes face a combination of structural, cellular, and biochemical challenges that gradually reduce vision. The lens inside the eye becomes less flexible and begins to yellow, leading to blurred near vision and subtle shifts in color perception. This gradual change contributes directly to cataracts, which affect millions of adults over 65. At the same time, the macula, the small central part of the retina responsible for sharp vision, can deteriorate in some individuals. This process leads to age-related macular degeneration, the leading cause of severe vision loss among older adults. Millions over 60 show signs of early degeneration, while a significant number progress to advanced stages of the disease. At the cellular level, oxidative stress accelerates this decline. Free radicals, unstable molecules naturally produced in the body, damage retinal cells over time, impairing photoreceptors, reducing blood flow to the retina, and diminishing the eye's ability to focus light accurately. Chronic low-grade inflammation, often linked to diet and environmental factors, compounds the problem. It weakens the delicate tissues of the eye, making everyday tasks like reading, driving, or recognizing faces increasingly difficult. Understanding these mechanisms reveals why targeted nutrition and antioxidant-rich foods can play a critical role in slowing age-related damage, helping the eyes maintain clarity and function well into later decades of life. Fortunately, research shows that certain foods can help counteract these age-related changes. Nutrient-rich fruits contain antioxidants and other compounds that protect retinal cells, reduce oxidative stress, and support overall eye health. Let's explore the top 5 foods that could help older adults maintain clearer, sharper vision and slow the progression of age-related decline. Food number 1. Blueberries. Blueberries and other richly colored berries are more than just a tasty snack. They are a natural way to support healthy vision as we age. They are packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that help protect the delicate cells in the retina from oxidative stress caused by free radicals, which accumulate over time and contribute to age-related vision decline. Research has shown that older adults who consume berries regularly may have up to a 25% lower risk of developing age-related macular degeneration, one of the leading causes of vision loss in people over 65. Studies also suggest that anthocyanins can improve night vision, enhance visual acuity, and help the eyes adapt more quickly to changes in light, making everyday activities like driving at dusk or reading in dim light easier. Dr. Aisha Rahman, an ophthalmologist, explains, anthocyanins help neutralize oxidative stress in the retina, reduce inflammation, and support the health of photoreceptors. This combination helps maintain the eye's ability to focus and perceive contrast clearly, even as we age. Beyond eye protection, berries are also low in calories, high in fiber, and support overall cardiovascular health, which indirectly benefits ocular blood flow. Including 1 cup of blueberries 3 to 4 times a week, whether fresh or frozen, can be a simple and effective step toward protecting your vision. You can enjoy them in smoothies, cereals, or as a snack, making it easy to get their protective benefits daily. Food number 2, citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, grapefruits, and kiwi are more than just a refreshing snack. They are a natural way to support healthy vision as we age. These fruits are packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the delicate structures of the eye from oxidative stress. Vitamin C also supports the health of blood vessels in the retina, helping maintain proper circulation and nutrient delivery to the eyes. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that adults who consumed the highest amounts of vitamin C from fruits had a 33% lower risk of developing age-related cataracts compared to those with the lowest intake. Vitamin C also plays a critical role in reducing inflammation and supporting collagen production in ocular tissues, helping maintain the structural integrity of the lens and retina. Nutritionist Samir Khan explains, getting vitamin C from whole fruits is far more effective than supplements because the natural combination of nutrients, flavonoids, and antioxidants in the fruit work together to protect the eyes. Dr. Emily Chen, an ophthalmologist at Johns Hopkins University, adds, regular intake of vitamin C-rich foods can slow the progression of cataracts and may reduce the risk of other age-related eye conditions by strengthening blood vessels and protecting retinal cells. Adding citrus fruits to your daily meals, whether as a snack, in a salad, or blended into a smoothie, can help older adults maintain sharper, healthier vision while also boosting overall wellness. Food number 3, papaya and mango. Papaya and mango are tropical fruits rich in carotenoids, particularly beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, a nutrient essential for maintaining healthy vision. Vitamin A plays a critical role in supporting the retina and overall eye function, and a deficiency can lead to night blindness, dry eyes, and an increased risk of age-related vision problems. These fruits also contain other antioxidants, including vitamin C and flavonoids, which work alongside beta-carotene to further protect the eyes from cellular damage caused by free radicals. Research published in Nutrients shows that older adults with higher dietary intake of carotenoid-rich fruits have a significantly lower risk of developing age-related macular degeneration and may maintain better visual acuity compared to those with low intake. Beta-carotene helps protect the eyes from oxidative stress and supports the function of photoreceptors, the cells responsible for detecting light and color. Dr. Emily Chen explains, including foods high in carotenoids can help strengthen retinal cells, improve light adaptation, and reduce the risk of progressive vision loss in older adults. Regular consumption is particularly important as the eyes naturally become more vulnerable with age. Enjoying a serving of papaya or mango a few times a week can be a simple way to add these vision-supporting nutrients to your diet. Whether eaten fresh, blended into a smoothie, layered in a fruit salad, or even lightly grilled for dessert, these colorful fruits provide a natural and delicious way to help maintain clear and healthy vision as you age. Food number 4, grapes and red fruits. Grapes, along with other red fruits like cherries and strawberries, are rich in polyphenols, including resveratrol, which act as powerful antioxidants to protect the eyes from oxidative stress. These compounds help maintain the health of retinal cells and may reduce inflammation, both of which are important in slowing age-related vision decline. Laboratory and animal studies suggest that resveratrol can support retinal function, and while human studies are still emerging, early research is promising. According to a study published in Molecules, Polyphenols in red fruits help prevent cellular damage in the retina and improve blood flow to ocular tissues, which is essential for nutrient delivery and maintaining clear vision. Dr. Aisha Rahman says, polyphenols may support retinal cell health and help protect against the oxidative stress that accelerates age-related degeneration. Including these fruits regularly can be a simple, natural strategy to safeguard vision over time. Including a cup of grapes or a handful of red berries several times per week can help provide these protective compounds. Whether eaten fresh, added to breakfast bowls, blended into smoothies, or enjoyed as a snack, red fruits offer a delicious and practical way to support long-term eye health and maintain sharper, clearer vision as you age. Food number 5. Vitamin E-rich fruits. Avocados and guava are excellent sources of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the eyes from oxidative stress and age-related damage. Vitamin E works in combination with other nutrients to neutralize free radicals, reduce inflammation, and support the health of retinal cells, which is essential for maintaining clear vision and preventing age-related deterioration. These fruits also provide other beneficial compounds, such as healthy fats in avocados and vitamin C in guava, which further enhance eye health and overall well-being. Studies published in the Journal of Nutrition indicate that higher intake of vitamin E from whole foods may reduce the risk of cataract progression and support overall ocular health. Unlike high-dose supplements, vitamin E from fruits and whole foods is absorbed naturally and provides additional fiber and nutrients that promote general health. Nutritionist Samir Khan explains, vitamin E from fruits is a safe and effective way to protect the eyes. Regular consumption helps strengthen the retina, maintain photoreceptor function, and slow age-related vision decline. Incorporating 1 to 2 servings of vitamin E-rich fruits each week, whether eaten fresh, added to fruit salads, or blended into smoothies, can be a simple and delicious way to nourish the eyes. By making these fruits a regular part of your diet, older adults can support sharper vision, healthier retinal function, and long-term eye health, while also enjoying the natural flavors and nutrients these fruits provide. Cautions and limitations. While these fruits provide valuable nutrients that support eye health, it's important to remember that they are not a cure for vision problems. The protective benefits of antioxidants, carotenoids, and vitamin E are supported by research, but human studies are often observational and results can vary. Some compounds like resveratrol in grapes or certain polyphenols in berries show strong effects in lab and animal studies, but evidence in humans is still emerging. Regular eye exams and professional guidance remain essential for maintaining healthy vision. Even with a diet rich in these vision-supporting foods, age-related changes like cataracts or macular degeneration can still occur. Including these fruits should be seen as a complementary approach alongside routine checkups, proper lighting, eye protection, and other healthy lifestyle habits that collectively support long-term eye health. Adding these 5 vision-friendly fruits to your daily diet can be a simple, natural way to help protect your eyes as you age. By making these fruits a regular part of your meals and snacks, older adults can nourish their eyes while also benefiting overall health. Start incorporating them today, whether in smoothies, salads, or as standalone snacks, and give your eyes the nutrients they need to maintain clearer, sharper vision for years to come.